Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video I will be reviewing, unboxing this SMYTTEN box which I just got it yesterday night and I couldn't resist, so I opened it already. So if you guys don't know what SMYTTEN is, it is online website where they sell authentic makeup, perfume, skincare and health related stuff. So they are 100% authentic. So I have ordered 3 samples from the site and let's open it. This is how the outer packaging looks like. I have ordered 3 sample size product for absolutely free, and let me show you what I have got. So these are the 3 products. They were bubble wrapped, but I have unwrapped them to see because I have zero patience in my life. And first thing, let's talk about this. It's a Sheer Secret lavender and Generian facial mist. So Sheer Secret is pretty much famous on Instagram. I have seen their Instagram page and I know about this brand. So I got their facial mist in 30 ml. I'm so happy with this because I love facial mist, and in climate like Mumbai we really need something refreshing for skin and makeup. Let's see how is this. This smells exactly like lavender, and yeah, we got this 30 ml sample size facial mist from Sheer Secret. Then I got what I got. This is the White Jasmine Brightening Hand Cream from Spa Salon Ayurveda. So this is the hand cream. I love hand cream and this is so cute, guys. This is so appropriate for traveling. Sample size trial product, and this is so cute, guys. I'm always traveling and I don't have anything in hand cream at this size, and I'm so happy that I got this miniature sample product to try out. Third thing I have, this is third and the last thing which I have, this is a sachet of Anatomical The Buff Stuff Citrus Body Scrub. Now if you guys don't know my love for scrubs, I love scrubbing my face and body. I'm literally obsessed with scrubbing because I like it. It evens out my skin tone, it brings out the dead skin out. It brings out the dead skin out. Wow, yeah. It removes the dead skin out and my skin glows from within. So I really love scrubbing my body. I've heard quite a lot about this brand and their scrub and skin and body stuff, so I wanted to give it a try. So I got a sample from SMYTTEN so that I can try and I'll see if this will work for my body type, or if the product is good or not. Then I'll opt for bigger full size product, and that's how it works, guys. This is how SMYTTEN work. You have to order free sample products where you can try, explore, and if you like it, if you find it worth, you can go and buy a full size product. So I really like the idea of giving free samples. Guys, that's all. I got it 3 samples for free, and let's get into how you can also get it for free. So to get a free trial samples, all you have to do, download the app SMYTTEN, and you will get an option where you have to include all your information, phone number and all, and they will give you free trial samples. So there is a category where you can choose your products. So make sure you read the description and the quantity properly, because only for one time, and this is 10 ml. So I know I can use this literally like a lot of time, and this is only for one trial use. So make sure you read the quantity of the product you're getting. And next, so once you have added your products in cart, all you have to do, just pay for shipping. Yeah, you will get the samples for free, but you just have to pay for shipping, and shipping depends from the location, which varies from 80 rupees to 150 rupees depending where do you live and what are the shipping charges and all those things. So I paid 148 rupees for Mumbai, and this parcel is coming from Hyderabad, sorry, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So I paid 148 for shipping. And yeah guys, I'm so happy that I get to try new brands. So if you like any of this product, you can go and buy the full size product from the same website. And if you buy the full size product, again your 3 trial sample will be activated, so you can get those samples for free as well. You just have to pay for shipping. And they also provide COD, so if you are underage, you don't have a credit, debit or Paytm, you can just opt for COD. I want to tell you guys that they have samples of free lenses and perfumes, so isn't that amazing? And also I want to tell you that they sold out very quickly, so you have to be fast. And even if you don't like anything from the sample product, you can wait for a couple of days, because the sample products change every day. So you don't like anything from today's category, you can wait for tomorrow and you can order. So yeah, that's how it works. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do so, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I think I have covered up everything. If anything is missed out, I will link everything in description box. Also the app, it works for Android and iPhone as well. And if you have any question, comments and concern, please let me down, please write it down in the comment section. I cannot talk today. And yeah guys, I shall see you in my next one. Bye.